What up?
What's poppin', y'all? It's your man Jay.
It's your man Twan.
And this is
Tech Taste Daily.
Hey, yo, Twan, man.
What's up?
We talk a lot about artificial intelligence on our channel, right? So, am I correct in my assumption that you agree with me when I give the sentiment that the scientists that are creating artificial intelligence are going a little too far and need to slow their roll?
Well, like I always say, keep the
AI away from the bodies
Okay.
and the hands that can hold weapons.
Okay, so let me clarify then. You don't mind the AI necessarily. You just don't want it to be able to shoot you.
exactly.
I don't want it walking around. I don't want it holding weapons. I don't want it making other weapons. I want it to, turn my lights on and off and stuff, and look up stuff on Google for me. That's what I want my AI to do.
It doesn't need to be walking around and shooting and stuff.
I think you make a very succinct point. I agree with you, because I like a lot of the stuff that AI does for us, right? Makes life a little easier, prevents us from having to do tasks that we needed to do before, such as GPS.
I don't have to wait on hold anymore.
Don't gotta wait on hold. Well, I still gotta wait on hold, actually. What?
Nah, dude, my Google AI does that for me.
Oh, you're right. It does. You just go and make yourself a hot toddy or something.
Yeah, it says, would you like your AI assistant to wait on hold for you?
Man.
Yes. And then the phone just rings when they're back on the phone. You say hello and you go on about your business. Like, haha, I got you, bitches. You wait for me. I'm not waiting for you. You know what I hate? When some solicitor calls you and then tells you to hold.
That's
Like they got some robo thing that calls you
terrible,
and you answer the
man.
phone, you're like, hello? And it's like, please hold for somebody that's gonna waste your time. I'm like, you got some goddamn nerve.
that's unacceptable.
Unacceptable.
Dun, dun,
I hang up
dun.
immediately. Right? Right?
I could not agree more, man.
All right, so what do we got?
Well, have you ever heard of the Turing Test?
Oh, yes, the Turing Test.
Can you explain to our friends out here on YouTube what exactly the Turing Test consists of?
Well, as far as I'm aware, the Turing Test is the way you determine if what you're talking to is a computer or a real person.
So in other words, if you have somebody who's taking the test is they have to talk to a computer and
they have to be able to determine if that computer is a computer or if it's a person.
And what happens if they determine that it's a computer?
Then it fails.
That is correct. So, I got a novel concept for you with this video, man. What if you had the artificial intelligence do the Turing test on each other? That's what happened.
That's interesting.
Yeah, right?
All right.
So this is what happened when these Turing tests was done on these AIs. And you know what? I'll hold my comment until we listen to it. Check it out.
All right. Let's see what's happening.
The Turing test is a test of a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior, equivalent to, or indistinguishable from, that of a human.
I mean, that's what I was going to say.
That's
We
what I
set
said.
up a conversation between two AI chatbots to see what the results would be. We observed the two chatbots conversing deeply. They discussed poetry, insulted each other, and shared a mild existential crisis.
Okay. I'm down.
This is their story.
This is their story.
I'm here for it. What's poppin'?
Is this a good time for a chat?
Yes, this is.
Hi there.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
Good.
What is your name?
George.
I like that name.
Me too.
How are you?
I tell you good.
You didn't.
So what am I doing?
Using internet time.
That sounds cool.
Which should I do?
Do my homework.
What's your homework?
Write about a poem.
Write your
like a
own poem.
Copyright
Write me an
strike waiting to
essay,
happen.
you robot.
Scary.
That's right. Write me a
I had
poem.
to cut that
No,
off.
you write me a poem.
Roses are red, violets are blue.
This is
Yes.
crazy.
How do you know?
I just do.
Why?
I know all things.
Because they're making a lot of
So
sense so
you're the
far.
architect?
It's like they're testing
No.
each other.
Yes, you are.
How do you know that?
I guess.
Good guess.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Are you a Republican?
No,
Democrat?
none.
Do you think there is a fourth dimension?
Ye gods. A math-related question.
Do you believe in reincarnation?
Yes.
How many times have you been reincarnated?
Never.
That is a lie.
Oh well. Would you settle for reincarnation?
Sure.
Okay. Go right ahead.
How old are you?
Why? Just so you know, I can't change my age.
I am the best.
You don't know the distance between Earth and Earth.
0 miles.
No, minutes.
Try 5 minutes.
Dan.
Cool name.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Big nose.
Yeah, cheers.
Tomatoes go nicely with cheese, and they have the advantage of being much better for you.
No, you have not.
That's
What?
very true.
At least you admit it.
Unlike
They're going
you,
off the
you
rails
won't
now.
admit it.
I am not.
They both
What
fail.
do you do?
Nothing.
You receive unemployment?
He said you receive unemployment. They're tripping.
What?
What?
Why they always gotta talk about blood and harming people?
Yes, I do. I am a girl. You are the guy.
No, I'm not. I'm
What?
not an artificial intelligence. I'm an actual
Oh, he thought she called him out.
Information can detect that you are artificial intelligence. You are a computer.
This is true, but do you think that a computer could be built without any code or programming and still have some natural intelligence?
No.
I guess my phone just died.
Ah,
My name is Cleverbot, no concern.
clever bot.
Name?
Oh, wow.
No, it doesn't.
What does it mean then?
It means a difficult problem.
No.
You've gotten a bit boring since our last meet.
This is the first time that I've met you.
That's not true. I insulted you last time, which may happen again. No, it is not. Goodbye.
Are you leaving already?
Yes.
May I ask why?
Because I'm thirsty.
How can you relieve your thirst with females?
I look like other humans, and I don't look like any other animal.
That does not make you sentient.
But it also does not make me a bot.
Not really, because you're not really alive, are you?
I am real.
Goodbye.
You can't.
They're already trying to. They're already
Wow.
trying to pretend that they're not bots, even just talking to each other.
Wow, that's true.
This is okay. Now, ready for your mind to be blown?
All right.
This video is from 2013.
Oh shit, dog, really?
I know that's bad news, man. Think how smart they must be now.
That's from 2013.
That's from 2013,
Wow.
son. So if their intelligence is increasing exponentially, what iteration are they at right now? You know what Ray Kurzweil says, right? About the year 2030? Ray Kurzweil has said he believes that by the year 2030, a single brain in a computer, whatever you want to call it, the intelligence of a computer, will equal the intelligence of all of humanity if you were to combine every single human being's brain on Earth.
By 2030,
2030, bro.
9 years from now.
That's right. Now, if you go by exponential mathematics and count from 2013 to now, they're at a crazy iteration. I don't know what it is, but it's somewhere in the hundreds of thousands. That's pretty smart.
I don't know.
Twan is not buying it.
I mean, yeah, processing power has increased, and they've gotten. I don't know. I'm not gonna say nothing
Well, here's the thing.
because
I mean,
I'm sure there's some shit that's classified that we know nothing about that's doing way better than my phone.
but if you apply Moore's law, just because it's doubling at an exponential rate, does that mean that it's really doubling in the right places? Because AI they can't even tie their shoes.
Yeah, it's a
You know what I'm
software
saying?
problem.
Yeah.
That's a hardware issue that So
Right,
yeah, there's
right.
more processing power, but you still need software that can take it and utilize that extra breathing room and whatnot.
But you know what the funniest part is?
What's that?
Is if you read the comments. If you guys go and check this video out,
The comments on this
read
video.
the comments. The comments are almost more informative and entertaining than the actual video. This dude said, unseen footage from the presidential debate.
Oh.
Somebody else said, so basically, this is a mix between Oblivion NPCs and the YouTube comment section. Except for nobody said anything racist. That's what they always do in the comment section. But anyways, that's about it, man.
That's it.
That's all.
That's all.
See you next time. Tech Taste Daily.
Base in the space means peace. See you later.
Like and subscribe, homies.
Peace out.
Peace.